People and myself remind me of my tape deck. People and myself remind me of my tape deck. I've had my tape deck for a long time. My tape deck has been good to me. Played all of the, at that time, the latest hip-hop, the R&B songs that I cried to when relationships didn't work, songs that I've made. Tape deck has been good to me. People and myself remind me of my tape deck. Memories. That's all we got. Being able to hold on to those and say, man, remember that time that I had my doors open and it was late at night and we was in the hood and I was playing so-and-so, so-and-so when I first did one of my songs? Remember that? That was in my tape deck. My tape deck won't do that for me no more. My tape deck is kind of like what a divorce is. It kind of divorced me. I know. Why don't you just get another tape deck? Or better yet, why don't you upgrade to a CD player? Or better yet, why don't you go digital like everybody else? You too slow, Motell, Granite. You out of date. You old school. Still talking about a tape deck. You still crying and shed tears over a tape deck that don't work. I guess I'm loyal. Love y'all.